Hey guys, it's back! Another mid-ranger, another Infinity from Samsung's eagerly anticipated Galaxy A6 2018 has literally been pouring into the rumor mill over the last few weeks. In fact, all the renders, live photos, certification fillings, videos were revealing enough for your taste. But today, GSM Arena or Banggogo revealed all of the specs, all of the features, including pricing. So what's here? Let's find out. First off, talk about the display. The Galaxy A6 will have a 5.6-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution of 1480 by 720 pixels. In terms of photo shape, the panel appears to be the part of Infinite Display family as popularized by the Korean giant's recent flagship. It's not curved, but it does come with an extra tall 18.5 by 9 aspect ratio and rounded corners. It will rock with an Exynos 7870 CPU with Mali T830 GPU. It will be available in 3/30GB and 4/64GB in some countries. It will also have 3 slots, one for microSD card up to 256GB and 2 for SIM cards. On the back, it has a 16-megapixel main sensor with f1.7 aperture and the fingerprint sensor is placed right below the camera lens. On the front, another 16-megapixel camera with f1.9 aperture with an LED flash. It will also have a 2D facial recognition with 3000 mAh battery juice. Its bigger Galaxy A6 Plus sibling will likely bring a bump in display size and resolution to 6 inches and Full HD Plus resolution of 2220 by 1080 pixels. According to Banggogo, it will be rocked with a Snapdragon 450 processors instead of Snapdragon 625 in a couple of past leaks. It will also have a 3/30GB and 4/64GB of RAM and storage variants with a microSD card slot up to 400GB. On the back, here's the dual 16 plus 5-pixel main sensor with f1.7 and f1.9 aperture and 24-megapixel front-facing camera with f1.9 aperture, LED flash and facial recognition system, and it will come with 3500 mAh battery. So yeah, all in all, everything is here about Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. Now talk about the pricing. So the younger brother Galaxy A6 will be available in 300 till 340 euro, while the bigger Galaxy A6 Plus will be available in 360 till 400 euro. So yeah, now your turn. Let me know what you guys think about the Galaxy A6 and A6 Plus. And if you guys enjoyed this video, then give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. And I'll catch you guys next one. See you soon.